Pressing your push-to-talk key in Discord but nobody can hear you. That can be frustrating, especially during games or voice chats. The good news is that push-to-talk issues are usually caused by settings, permissions, or keybind conflicts, and they're often easy to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions. First, open Discord settings and go to keybinds. Make sure your push-to-talk shortcut is assigned correctly and isn't conflicting with another application or game. Next, navigate to voice and video settings and confirm that the correct microphone is selected. If multiple input devices are connected, try switching between them and test your mic. Some games run with elevated permissions, which can prevent Discord from detecting push-to-talk key presses. Try running Discord as an administrator to ensure it can register your keyboard input properly. Open voice and video settings and verify that push-to-talk is selected as your input mode. If needed, switch to voice activity temporarily to test whether your microphone itself is working. If your voice gets cut off, adjust the push-to-talk release delay. Increasing the delay slightly can prevent the microphone from turning off too quickly after releasing the key, Finally, restart Discord and check for updates. Outdated versions can sometimes cause keybind and audio issues. If the problem persists, reinstalling Discord may help, and that's how to fix Discord push-to-talk not working. By checking keybinds, permissions, and audio settings, you can usually restore push-to-talk functionality in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're back to clear communication in your next voice chat. Thanks for watching.